Watch a straight steel tube transform into a perfectly formed spiral coil with our CNC wire bending machine. Every bend is smooth, consistent, and accurately controlled, ensuring high-quality results from start to finish. Designed for efficient and repeatable production, the machine can create spiral coils, rings, and other complex shapes with excellent accuracy and stability. Suitable for steel tubes, steel wire, stainless steel, and other metal materials, it is widely used in automotive parts, furniture, construction, fitness equipment, and industrial manufacturing. Smooth spiral bending, high forming accuracy, stable and efficient production. Custom shapes available. Custom shapes available.